So we're doing a diagnostic on this dryer for burn and smell. Here's the model and serial number here, and checking to see why. Now, one thing I just pulled the top off, and one thing I can notice, the buildup of dust that's all over the control board. A lot of time when you see this, especially, you know, a lot of buildup, could be signs that something is going on with your exhaust duct vent. And I don't know if you could see, but all of that right there look like moisture hitting the dust and causing it to kind of be like that on the floor. See that? Like water is running down from the vent stack, because this goes from here, the back of the dryer, all the way to the roof. And let me zoom in here. So you can clearly see there's some signs. And over there it looks like water dripping down and kind of running down, or somehow moisture. You can see that, all of that. So something definitely is going on. I don't know how long the vent been cleaned to the exterior. That's something I'm gonna check and ask. But this should be done periodically, depending on how often you use the dryer. And that's all found in the owner's manual. So, looking inside the unit, that door open, looking at the lint. I don't smell anything burning on there. Let me take a look down here in the common issue as well that need periodic cleaning, the washer. And one thing you have to, alright, so I just took the front panel cover off and pulled off the front. And as you can see, here's the front cover. Like that. This right here is a pile of sand. Yeah. I can even get off the exhaust cover yet. Just the blower motor. And that's the heat and power assembly. Let's get these off. I remember wherever screw go, I give each of them names: Jack, Jill, Brent, Sammy, John, English. So I remember everybody. I remember where everybody go. Hit me up in that like, comment, share, subscribe if you appreciate the content. Get that off. And this comes off like that. Get that over there. And we got this piece here. 4 screws. good stuff inside. Say, it's supposed to just be able to come off like that. I'm doing this with one hand, guys, so bear with me. So that looks like that's the roller wheel. I gotta get those really cleaned up, because if not, they cause excessive squeaking. Gotta get that cleaned up. We're back over here now. Alright, so I'm gonna have to get the drum out so I can inspect the rest of the unit. So I'm gonna need two hands because I gotta take the belt assembly off. But look at all that dust buildup. Alright, so now I got that out the way. You could see what the inside of the dryer look like. This is the blower assembly with the motor, the pulley arm, this rear support, rollers. This is the heating element. This is where the heat comes from. Kind of blows up to here. So this gets red hot like your stove. So if it looks like this with all this fire tender just sitting on the red hot coil, you know, that can start a fire. You could see where it start burning already. You know, look at that. So maintaining your dryer, keeping it clean, very important. And cleaning the vent to the exterior, this goes all the way to the roof, very important as well. So fire hazard. See all the burning, everything that's going on there. There's gonna be extra work to clean because I gotta disassemble. Now we gotta disassemble all of that, clean the rollers, everything. So it's very important maintaining all your appliances. All right, thank you for tuning in. Alright, so I'm about to begin cleaning. I got my vacuum and everything I need. So I'll begin cleaning, get all this out of here, and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so I'm taking all the sensors off the heating element assembly. Gotta get all these off. Then I gotta get this heating element assembly out. Gotta wear gloves. These things are razor sharp. Look, I know it's a dirty job, but somebody gotta do it. All right, and we here at Quality Home Repair Services love what we do. It's what we do best. All right, so let me get that out of the way, and I just grab what I can off the bulk buildup, and we gotta get that out of the way and stuff. So I'll be right back. Let me get that out of the way there. All right, so I just took the heating element out of the way. It's the heating element here, and I just want to show you guys something. Take a look at all that was burning. Look at all that charred. This is inside the duct. Look how dangerous that is. It was actually a fire inside the dryer unit. If you're not, and look at all this sand. If you guys are not cleaning out your dryer vent properly or often, as suggested by the manufacturer, doing routine maintenance, this is just asking for trouble. This is very dangerous. This was caught on fire. You know, very dangerous. Look at all this lit buildup. You know, this doesn't give y'all peace of mind here. You know, if you guys haven't maintained your dryer, have it serviced, that just leads to a whole lot of other problems. You know, parts going defective, fire hazard. You know, so that's what we do here. We make sure your appliance is running like new and in optimal condition. All right, let me get this finished cleaned up. work. I got the vacuum going. I know you guys can't hear me probably, but yeah, it's hard work, but man, it's wonderful. Love what we do. Get back. These are the little tedious part. Just have to clean the fan blade here with a brush. Try to get all that gunk off. Yeah, still here trying to clean this blower wheel. It was caked on with lint and dust because of the restriction in the airflow from the lack of maintenance. So trying to get that nice and clean. Get all that out there. Alright, I gotta get my vacuum, finish cleaning this up. Alright, and this is what it looks like after the cleaning is done. Look at that, much better. Nice clean unit. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Alright, so I just cleaned out the Ethan element assembly and just got it back in. You can see how nice and clean it is. Got all the thermostats back on. Now I'm gonna go and get the drum in, get that done. Clean the rollers up, spin nice and freely. It's looking like a new unit, y'all. It is. It's beautiful. Alright, so I just got the drum in and I'm here cleaning this exhaust piece to go back over there, and look at the amount of stuff that came out of this one part. Can you see that? A lot of sand. Look at all that buildup. Alright, let's get this on. Alright, so far I got that part back together. I just cleaned this front cover here. I'm about to put it back on. You can see all the stuff that came off of it. So let's get this front cover back on. Alright, almost got it all completed back together. We always wipe down and clean the unit once we're done. Get it finished. Alright, all completed. This is what the unit looks like once it's all done. We done did a nice cleaning of the unit. We checked to make sure that it's functioning and working properly. So everything's pretty good. Beautiful. Please like, share, and subscribe.